If a denial notice sits unopened, you can lose time, work authorization, and even end up in immigration court fast. Everything in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not legal advice. Yes, I'm speaking about denials again. Here's the reason. Because a lot of it is happening through USCIS and even in immigration court, and some folks are getting into trouble. So in this one, we're going to cover my top 3 tips on how to handle a denial from USCIS. I'm McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, serving clients nationwide at McBean Law, where experience matters, friends, and peace matters. At McBean Law, we value both. Wherever you're watching this video, go ahead and type experience and type peace, because we all need more of that these days, honestly. You can contact us at McBean Law to discuss your immigration case. The best way to contact us is by calling 914-898-9488 to book a consultation with an attorney today.
And before you go today, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be first to catch my new videos every single week online. Now let's talk about denials. I did say at the start, friends, that a lot of people are getting denied at USCIS these days. It is true. It really is. It's becoming harder and harder to get your case approved by USCIS, so you really need to know your way around. Since 2025, friends, USCIS has put tougher policies in place, saying this: if an immigration case is denied, they will place you in removal proceedings. And that has been the pattern over the recent months. So let's work through it, okay? The best way to deal with it is, first, to read your denial letter carefully and figure out whether you truly have a path forward to appeal the decision right now. What you should look for is whether the decision can be appealed at all from this point forward. You're looking for mistakes USCIS made in its reasoning about your case here. You may need professional help to determine whether USCIS made an error when it denied your case or not, so get help. But what you're looking for are details in its reasoning about your case. Did they get your facts wrong? Do they seem to be describing a different case here? Did those events actually happen when they interviewed you? Look closely to see whether USCIS has your facts mixed up with another case, because that does happen from time to time sometimes. And if there's a way to tell them they got it wrong, this is not me at all, period, okay. That never came up in our interview. We don't know what they're talking about. They said there was a document we filed, but we never actually filed that document type at all. If that's true, you can appeal the decision and present the real facts, the real evidence, and a strong argument for why you think they made a mistake in that decision. The second thing you'll need to decide when you read this letter is whether you have new evidence USCIS should look at here as well too. If you do have new facts or new evidence, that's also a good reason to file an appeal. But remember, you only have 30 days to prepare the appeal and get it filed on time, period. Thirdly, if you do not have any new evidence to share with USCIS and they did not get it wrong with their reasoning, you have to consider refiling the case, and you have to do it right away, because there is timing to all this, friends. Remember I said earlier that USCIS is putting more people into removal proceedings once a case is denied these days right now too. So if you can, try to get ahead of them a little bit first, if possible at all. So get yourself together, get your documents together, and work with an immigration attorney to prepare a stronger case for you so that you will not experience too much of a gap with things like work permit. Now, what if they have already put you into removal proceedings? If you already received a notice to appear in immigration court? Don't panic, please. Okay, I always say, don't panic here. I know it's a frightening document to get from the government, but don't panic still. There is a way to handle it for people. So the first thing that we would do at McBean Law is determine when your first hearing is coming up next in court very soon. Then number 2, we get to work right away by doing our homework to request your records and learn about your background better. We study what happened in your case and whether there is a path forward for you in removal proceedings at all still. Some of the strategies we have used for some of our clients include asking the judge to dismiss or terminate the removal case in immigration court. We litigate the whole process. Sometimes, if a client does not have a way forward with USCIS, we look to see whether their plan can succeed only in immigration court alone. So for some people, they are eligible for asylum or cancellation of removal, which is a process that could help people who have been here for at least 10 years get a green card in immigration court if they meet the criteria to do. So we look to do that for some people. Other times, we seek adjustment of status in court with a waiver, because sometimes our clients need a waiver to fix inadmissibility problems on their record there too as well. So for us at McBean Law, we break things down from the start. We want to see the end from the beginning, and we do our case assessment to study, request records from immigration, and get smarter about the case so we can put a strong strategy in place for removal proceedings there. So do not panic, but get good help. We've been representing our clients nationwide at McBean Law, even in removal proceedings, because more courts across the country are letting immigration attorneys and even our clients have WebEx virtual hearings online, so we're able to help more clients across the United States through these WebEx hearings. Friends, we also have some great success stories on our website. Go to macbeanlaw.com/success to read about today. How we've helped some clients in very difficult situations get out of removal or turn their denied case into an approval outcome. Every case is different, of course, and we do not promise the same future outcome, but we certainly have a strong record of experience to help our clients through difficult times overall. Do not panic and do not lose heart. Get good legal help for your case. Thanks so much for being with me, friends, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Like, comment, and subscribe.